Good morning, viewers. I'm Naveed Ahmad, and you're tuned in to Nambardar TV's morning news. Let's dive straight into the top 10 shocking news stories that are making headlines this morning. First up, breaking news, Imran Khan announces nationwide protests against inflation. It seems the heat is rising not just on the streets, but in political corridors as well. Second, Pakistan's economic crisis, rupee hits all-time low against US dollar. The numbers are staggering, and the implications even more so. Next, PTI government under fire, opposition demands resignation over corruption allegations. The political arena is buzzing. Will there be a shake-up? Time will tell. Moving on, terrorism returns. Deadly blast rocks Peshawar, killing scores. A tragic reminder of the challenges that still lie ahead in securing peace. In fifth place, Pakistan-India tensions escalate, military on high alert along low sea. The stakes are high and the region remains on a knife edge. Supreme Court verdict, corruption case against PM Imran Khan dismissed. A significant development that might just redefine political alignments. Our seventh story, floods devastate Sindh, thousands displaced, dozens killed. Nature's fury leaves a trail of despair. Our thoughts are with the affected. Economic crisis deepens as Pakistani rupee continues free fall. It's a tough time for the economy, and everyone is feeling the pinch. Opposition unites against PTI. Maulana Fazlur Rahman leads anti-government rally. A show of unity or a power play? The implications will be closely watched. And finally, Pakistan's COVID-19 crisis cases surge, hospitals overwhelmed. A stark reminder that the pandemic is far from over. Stay safe, everyone. And those were the top news stories this morning. Remember, stay informed, stay objective, and most importantly, stay safe. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching Nambardar TVs. Remember, we're always here to keep you informed and up to date. Don't forget to tune for more news, analysis, and insights. Until then, and stay safe.